Hi, this is Gabriel here from the Unseen Adrian Travels. Have you ever wished to travel to Poland to further your studies, maybe as a degree BSc holder, Bachelor's, or probably a Master's degree? Well, I bring to you another opportunity to make your dream come true. The Polish government has provided an avenue for international students to come into the country and study. This is a scholarship scheme mostly available for people who intend to do their masters in Poland. However, to study in any institution or university in Poland, you must be registered under the government. So in this video, I'll be tutoring you, giving you the step-by-step guide on how to register as an international student, and also if you wish to apply for scholarship, how you will go about it. The scholarship, I repeat, is mostly for MSc holders, mostly for MSc people or candidates or students. So for bachelor's degree, I am not certain if the scholarship is available for them, but yes, you must also follow the same procedure to ensure that you are part of the Polish institution. First thing first, we go to our browser and then search for NAWA. NAWA is a government agency that sees about the admission of international students and local students in Poland. However, this agency gives opportunity like grants and scholarship for both international and local students, but most especially people seeking for master's degree. So this is a short description of NAWA. Okay, so click on this and open the tab for NAWA's official site. Now, this is where you find out about the programs and the things they offer, right? The services, how they can be able to help international careers, international students mostly. So this is the first page. But if you are searching for anything, or if you are looking for a way to join or register for yourself, this page isn't actually where you will get the information you need. Okay, so for that particular option, I have provided the link to do that. For you to register, you head over to Nawa Serena. So from here, this is where you can be able to upload your files and your application and everything. As you can see, this is written in Polish language. I don't even know the name of Polish language, but yeah. So just click here to translate to English, and that is it. So if you are a secondary school cert holder or a diploma holder, this is it for you, right? So if you're looking for BSc, then you need to click on the secondary school certificate. That is, if you are going there to study for your BSc. So here are the requirements of the things needed for it. So in order for you to submit your files and everything, these are the things you need to get ready. Once you have all these things ready, then you can head over to the start button. Okay, so here are the forms. First of all, choose the application, be diploma holder or institution. Okay, diploma holder or institution. So since you are in secondary school, no, yeah, you choose a diploma holder. This is what you are applying for, right? So name of the institution, this place, you're not allowed to click on anything here. You cannot be able to write anything here. But if you click on institution, that is people looking for master's degree, then you can be able to fill in here, right? So but then we go for diploma holder, because any mistake you make here will result to automatic rejection. Okay, so now here you fill in your name, your first name. Okay, so once you fill in your first name here, put in your surname here, right? Then okay, your passport certificate, you must have your international passport, right? So this is where you put your international passport ID. The number that is on your international passport, this is where you put it. Then this is date of birth, right? So then choose a country, the country you are from, maybe Nigeria. Let me go with Nigeria because I'm from Nigeria though. So choose Nigeria, and then the city you are in. I'm actually in Nnewi. Once I click on this, now everything about my form has already filled. So I don't even know why I'm going through all this same process. So your postal code, of course, you need to know your postal code. For me, my postal code is 435101. So this is it, and your email address and everything. And if you are a refugee, then you need to turn this on. But if not, there's no need for that. So passport holder, let me add something, because without adding this you cannot go to the next page. So A109115, right? Let me just go with this. So click on next. Okay, date of birth. Okay, let me just put month 05, day 16, year 2000. Okay, so that is it. Then once done, click on next. Now, name of the certificate that you are holding. Name of the certificate that you are holding. Okay, this is where you put it. First name on your certificate. According to how it is written on your certificate, please don't go and make mistake. For me, I always go with Gabriel Ogengo on every of my applications. So you click on this. I already have it though. This is your surname. Surname on your certificate. Issuing country. This is Nigeria, right? Okay. Number of certificates to which the application relates. Maybe you have 3 certificates, 4, 5, 6, depending. So in my case, I'm choosing 3 and not 4. Okay. So institution that issued you the certificate. Okay, let me apply. Let me use Congo. Memorial Grammar School, right? So once done, here you put the date of issuance, when they gave you the certificate, the date and month. So this is on September, right? Yeah, September date. Okay, 21 2015. Let me go with this. Okay, so that is it. Now here you choose the certificate itself, the original certificate. Maybe you are applying with your WAEC or NECO. This is where you choose your certificate. If it is your WAEC, you put it here first. Don't put any other certificate apart from your WAEC here. This is where you put your WAEC first. I don't have my WAEC here on this this my laptop, so okay, let me just put any image here. I don't know, let me just put any image. It can be PDF, it can be anything, but yeah, let me just attach anything. Okay, so now for your transcript, for those that has transcripts, okay, for those that has transcripts, this is where you upload it. But it's necessary that you have your transcripts too, right? Okay, and here, certificate translation. This is where you will need to have your WAEC scratch card because it's needed. You must upload a WAEC scratch card for them to be able to verify that your result is actually original, is authentic. So you must upload your WAEC scratch card. If you don't have one, you can still go out and buy one from any cyber cafe out there. So you upload your WAEC scratch card here. I'm just putting a random image. This is just a tutorial, so I don't have any of these documents on this laptop. Okay, so this is it. Then you click on next, which shows you another place, another page. Now it still asks you issuing country here too. Okay, Nigeria. Okay, institution that issued the certificate. So still a Congo. Meanwhile, here in this option, okay, date. This is where you upload your junior WAEC certificate, right? Your junior WAEC certificate is necessary. If you don't have it, your first school leaving certificate for your junior secondary should be available. You must have any of these certificates. So now, date of issuance, right? Okay, I'm choosing 29th. Okay, sorry, September 09, 29, 29, sorry, 29. Okay, I'm just giving an instance. Now, 2012. Okay, so now you now upload your junior WAEC certificate here of your first this thing. What did I call it before, safe? Your final result or something of that nature, like your certificate that shows that you are done with the junior secondary. So once done, you click on next, which now brings you here. Now to this page now, you have to upload your international passport, your data page of the international passport. You upload it here. Okay, click on here, and also maybe let me choose this file. Okay, then if you have any, maybe if you are below age, then declaration authorizing a minor independently, submit an application, that is from your parents or guardian or anything. But if not, if you're not underage, there is no need for this. Okay, and should in case you changed your name during the process, the whole process from your secondary school or probably your education and everything, this is where you will show your certificate that yes, this was the name I was answering before, and this is the name I am answering now, right? The certificate. This is where you put evidence of change of name. That is if you have changed your name. Okay. If not for any other thing, you can now head over to the last place, which is next. You can still attach any comment or anything you feel like saying or question you need to ask them here, right? But if not any other thing, just click on next, right? And now it will ask you these questions if it is correct. If it is correct, then you click on send request. Okay, first of all, confirm that you're not a robot. Okay, confirm that you're not a robot. Yeah, Now, remember, mark all this. You have read the terms, you have accepted it, and all that. So after that, you click on send request. For me, I'm not going to send any requests because if I should, that means those things I added there are not actually valid, right? So I don't need to send any request. But once you send the request, they will send you an email to the email used to register this. From that email, you can now click on the link to confirm that you actually sent the request. Without confirming it, NAWA will never get back to you. Okay, this is for the people trying to apply for BSc. This same process is also applied to people who intend to apply for MSc, right? So people who intend to apply for MSc, so you click on diploma, academics, degree, and all that. Now, this is where you click on. These are the documents you need to provide. Okay, for MSc, definitely you must have your transcript ready. It is must. You must have it ready. So then you click on start. It's still the same interface, the same thing, the same process, just that you need to provide more of documents compared to the BSc applicants. So that is it for now. I didn't wish to make this video long, but this is it. So I believe this helps, and it will go a long way for people trying to apply for an institution or university in Poland. Okay, with the information you provide as an MSc applicant, this will now determine if you are worth giving a scholarship or not. Okay, so I wish you all the best. See you in my